Welcome students. In this video we are going to learn from chapter 3 operating system, and this is the second part of the video lecture. And today's topic we are going to learn on this following: basic components of a GUI window, Windows Explorer, viewing files and folders, creating and renaming files and folders, moving and copying files and folders, and creating a shortcut. These following topics we are going to cover. Before proceeding to the topics elaborately, let us see in the previous video which topic we have completed. We have completed introduction, need for an operating system, functions of an operating system, types of operating system, commonly used operating system, mobile operating system, introduction to Windows 7 we have completed, about computer, recycle bin, moving icons on the desktop, running an application on the desktop, basic components of a GUI window. These topics we have completed in the previous video. First one is basic components of a GUI window. From there already have completed 70% in the previous classes or the previous video lecture, and today from basic components of GUI window we are going to know about quick launch toolbar, which part it displayed on the desktop, then the notification area, date and time, start button. So these we will see, and besides that we will know about viewing files, creating and renaming files, and further those things. So let us proceed. This is the taskbar on the desktop. Okay, this is the taskbar on the desktop. On the desktop, which part is called the start button? As you know, this is called the start button. Okay, this is the one, start button. And quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar is quick launch toolbar. Quick launch toolbar is this is the one, this part. Okay, this three part is called quick launch toolbar, which contains Internet Explorer, folders, and Windows Media Player. This three part is called the quick launch toolbar. Okay, and after that, notification area. Which is the notification area? This is the notification area. Okay, whatever notification after connecting the internet, you will see updating your antivirus or any malware functions are affected, all this notification you will get it from this icon. Alright, next is date and time. Date and time, this area. Okay, this area is having date and time. This is the area. Alright, okay. Then after that you will see start menu, which is called the start menu. This is the one. Okay, how it will display? To display this, you need to press the start button. This is the one, this start button. No, you need to click it here. After that, this will display start menu. Okay, and from the start menu only we are selecting the application to open. We will go to the all programs, and shortcut also is here, the recent one which we have opened, that also is it. What a student. Okay. After that, Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer, earlier in the chapter already we have discussed how to access the drive, files, and folders. The computer, by double clicking you can open it on the computer. This is the computer, double click and it will open. Okay, and now we'll see how to open the Windows Explorer. To open Windows Explorer, you will go to start button here, then you will proceed to all programs. After that, we will go to accessories. Accessories, to get, you can just drag the scroll bar down. Then we will go to accessories. Then we will go to Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer. Can you see here? This is the one. Okay, Windows Explorer. You click it, then this is the Windows Explorer icon. Alright, friend. This is the Windows Explorer icon. From here, you can get the drives and all. Yeah, if you want C drive, also you can open D drive, E drive, F drive, H drive. Alright. Now, another way also you can open it, close it. Another way, just double click on the computer, or you right click it and open. So this is also Windows Explorer, but computer direct, if you open it, then computer drives will display it. Okay, but if you open from the Windows Explorer, then libraries will display on the screen. Alright, student. So this is the way you can open the Windows Explorer. Now, how can you view files and folders? Okay. How can you view files and folders? From here you can see. So for that, in order to view the contents of a file or folder, no, you just double click on the folder. For example, this is the drive, no, just you double click it and it will open it like this. Okay, it will open. So if you want to view any file, no, for that what we will do, that here I minimize it. From the folder also you can open it. Here you see school 2021 is there. Just I double click it or right click, open it. Okay, then any files if you want to see, then we can click on this. Click on the folder, double click on the folder, open it, and which file you want, that file you open it. Alright, for example, I am opening your PPT file. Okay, so right click, open, and this is the file. This is the way you can open the file or folder. So to open the folder, to open the folder, you just double click on the folder or right click and or open the folder. But to open the file, if you are keeping your file on the desktop, and from the desktop you can open it. But if you have kept your file in the folder, then first of all you need to open the file. Okay, so easiest way to open is double click on the folder, then double click on the file which you want to open it. Okay, this is the way you can open your folder or file. Alright, student. Okay. Next is creating and renaming files and folders. So you can create any files or folders. For example, to create the files or folder, now first of all, let me show you how to create a folder. For that, bring the cursor on the blank side of the desktop, and here you just right click it, then go to new and state towards where I said you go and click on folder, and like this new folder will display. You press on the backspace or direct you can type the new name, what name you want to type. Okay, so here class 9, okay, class 9 folder, right click and press enter. So this is the way you can create the folder. Alright, but if you have to rename it, class 9 folder, now for that what we'll do, just right click on the folder and go to rename, and you can delete by pressing the backspace or direct you can type it. So type the new name, class 9 section N. Okay, section N, new name. Press enter. The same way you can create the file and files also. So to create the file, better you keep your file in a particular folder. So I am keeping the file in the just you created a folder, and there we will keep it. So for that, just I will open the folder by double clicking, and here on the blank area just right click and go to new, and what type of file you want to create it, that you can select. For example, text document I will create, and I will give the name. Okay, I will give the name maybe for Windows 7, Windows 7 shortcut key. Okay, and press enter and open it, and you can type here. You can type here your data. Alright, and save it by clicking on file and click on save. Okay, just save because already we have created, no? Just to save. Okay, I'll close this notepad, and if you want to rename, same only, right click on the file. First you bring the cursor here on the file, right click it, then go to rename. Same process for renaming. So if you want to type this one, Windows 7 shortcut, instead of that just type Windows shortcut. Enter. So this is the way you can create the file and folder. Alright friend. Okay. Now next is moving and copying files and folders. No, how you can move the file or folder. For example, this folder, no, you want to move it to the right side. So just to bring the cursor on the folder and click and drag it to the right side. Okay, then it will come. So this is the way. Just click and drag, and this will move to another place. Okay, and if you want to copy it also, you can copy. Right click and click copy and paste where you want to paste it. For example, I copy this file from here. To copy, right click on the folder, select copy, go to the location where you want to keep, maybe school 2021. Here, open the location, and here you right click it and paste. The copy. Copy means here this file, no, it will remain on the desktop also, and where you have copied the new location also, that will also available. And if you want to move it, then just right click on the location, go to the option cut, and go to the location where you want to kept, and here you can kept. So here I am choosing school 21, and here I click paste. In this method, what you can see, the folder which was on the desktop, that has moved to the new location, and in the previous location, from the previous location it has moved. It is not available on the previous location anymore. Okay, so this is the way you can move or copy files and folders. So files, how can move? For that, any file from any file. These are the five folders already shown in the previous lecture. No, these are the folders, and these are the icons and files. Here the files are, you see, the creating table HTML.com. This is the file PPT. This is the file Anamika text. This is the file. No, here photos are there. These are files. For example, this CPU. If you want to copy it, right click, copy, go to a location where you want to keep. Okay, here I am opening school 21. The school work I am doing, so that's why I am opening always most of the time this folder. So I am opening this and right click and paste it. So this way you can copy it. Alright. So in both places it will remain. If you want to cut it, as I have shown in the folder, know how to move it, same way you can move it. Right. Okay. So for that, right click, go to cut, and here open the location, the new location, right click on the location and paste it. Okay, so this is the way you can copy and move. Next is creating a shortcut. For creating a shortcut, what you will do? A shortcut, no, what is actually, it is an icon that does not directly represent a file or folder or an application, but rather serves as a link to it. No? Shortcut, you can create it. For that, what you do to create the shortcut? For that, any file or further if you want to bring a shortcut here on the desktop. No, for that just you go to the My Computer, Internet Explorer, open your folder, from which folder you want to bring it. Here the class 9 video for upload, no, that I am opening. Okay, so these videos are here. So this folder, instead of opening again and again the D folder, no, instead of opening this, what I'll do, I'll create a shortcut. For that, right click on the folder which you want to create a shortcut on the desktop. Right click it and go to send to. From the send to, just you select desktop, create shortcut. Click. Now you can see here class 9 video for upload. Okay, it will open from here. So directly it will open. Okay, next time onwards I don't need to, but this is not the original folder. Okay, this icon, it does not directly represent the folder. Okay, this is a shortcut. No? From here it will open your main folder. Shortcut to create open an folder or an application. Even an application, so you can create the shortcut. You see zoom icon here, Adobe, Abro. These are the icons. No? Let's create a shortcut on the desktop so that from here we can open the application. Okay, student. So student, today up to this, watch till that. Thank you.